Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to our channel where we're all about bringing you the best recipes and cooking tips. Today, we're going to dive into the world of hot wings, and we'll be sharing some of our favorite hot wings cooking oil and seasoning recipes. First up, let's talk about the oil. Now, when it comes to hot wings, you want to make sure you're using the right oil. We recommend using a high smoke point oil, such as vegetable oil or canola oil. These oils can withstand the high heat required for frying, and they won't break down or become rancid when exposed to heat. Now, let's move on to the seasoning. The key to making the perfect hot wings is in the seasoning. We like to use a blend of spices that packs a punch, but doesn't overpower the flavor of the chicken. Our go-to seasoning mix includes paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and salt. You can adjust the amount of each spice to suit your taste. When it comes to cooking, we recommend using a deep fryer or a large pot filled with oil. Make sure the oil is hot enough before adding the chicken wings. You can test the oil's temperature by dropping a small piece of chicken into the oil. If it sizzles and floats to the top, the oil is ready. Once the chicken wings are cooked, it's time to add the seasoning. We like to toss the wings in the seasoning mix, making sure they're evenly coated. And there you have it, the perfect hot wings recipe. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you enjoyed this cooking tutorial. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking!